Good morning, dear students. Mr. Mahmoud Azab with you. Today, lesson 16.1, classifying triangles. Today, the student can classify triangles by their angles and sides. Page 852. How can you classify triangles? Triangles can be classified by the length of their sides. Look at this triangle. Take a look. Take a look at how many the sides are congruent. And remember, congruent means the same or have the same length. In this triangle, all sides are the same length. So we can call that triangle equilateral triangle. Take a look at how many sides are congruent. In this triangle, at least two sides are the same length. We can call that triangle as an isosceles triangle. Take a look at how many sides are congruent in this triangle. No sides. No sides are the same length. We can call that triangle scalene triangle. Now, triangles can also be classified by the measures of their angles. Look at this triangle. Take a look at what the measure of the greatest angle. Here we have a right angle, so we can call that triangle right triangle or right angle triangle. Take a look at what the measure of the greatest angle in this triangle. Here we have an angle greater than 90 degrees or greater than the right angle. Of course, this angle is obtuse angle, so we can call that triangle obtuse triangle. Take a look at the biggest angle in this triangle. In this triangle, all three angles are acute angles. So we can call that triangle acute triangle. Page 853. Question 1. Can a right triangle have an obtuse angle? Why or why not? The answer, no. Because 180 minus 90, of course 180 is the sum of the measures of the angles of any triangle, minus 90 equals 90. So an obtuse angle must be greater than 90 degrees. Question 2. Can an equilateral triangle have only two sides of equal length? Why or why not? The answer, no. Because in the equilateral triangle, all three sides must be equal. And 3 and 4, classify each triangle by its sides and then by its angles. Question 3. Take a look at the sides, then take a look at the angles. All the three sides are equal. So this triangle is equilateral triangle. All the angles are less than 90 degrees or acute angles. So this triangle is equilateral acute triangle. Question 4. Look at the sides. Are there any congruent sides? Yes. We have two sides, two congruent sides, or two sides are the same. So this triangle is isosceles triangle. Look at the angle. The greatest angle is a right angle. So this triangle is a right triangle. So we can describe this triangle as isosceles right triangle. In 5 to 10, classify each triangle by its sides and then by its angles. Question 5. Look at the sides. Two sides are the same, so this triangle is isosceles triangle. Look at the angles. All the angles are acute angles, so this triangle is acute triangle. So we can describe this triangle as isosceles acute triangle. Question 6. Take a look at the sides. No sides are the same, so this triangle is scalene triangle. And we have a right angle, so according to the angles, this triangle is right angle triangle. So this is scalene right triangle. Question 7. Look at the sides. All the sides are the same, or all the sides are congruent. Then this is equilateral triangle. And all the angles are acute angles and the same, they are equiangular. This triangle is equiangular. So this triangle is equilateral acute triangle. Question 8. Only two sides are the same. So this triangle is isosceles triangle. And we have obtuse angle, so this is obtuse triangle. So we can describe this triangle as isosceles obtuse triangle. Question 9. Take a look at the sides. How many sides are congruent in question 9? No sides are congruent. No sides are the same. So this triangle is scalene triangle. And there is a right angle. So this is a right angle triangle. So we can describe this triangle as scalene right triangle. Question 10. Take a look at how many sides are the same. Only two sides. So this is isosceles triangle. And look at the angles. Are there a right angle? Any right angles? No. Are there any obtuse angles? No. All the angles are acute angles. So this triangle is acute angle triangle. So we can describe the triangle in question 10 as an isosceles acute triangle. Goodbye. See you later.